Okay, so we have an example of perfection of the toes. And we also have a podiatrist on board in our chemic group, who's right there. He is saying how perfect the cutouts of the nails are, and the fact that they are cut properly as far as what we would do as humans. So they're replicating the 3D with preciseness. And not only that, but just the way that it's polished and shaped. We're not talking about tools that Dynastic Egypt had. We have to be clear on that we can deny that all we want, but that's not the way it is. So again, the structure cut precisely in pre-dynastic times by civilization times 2, which these are replications of this civilization, there is no doubt. And pre-dynastic Egypt, obviously trying to put on their own hieroglyph system. And as specialists with us in the field were saying, that this is completely not even a good job. So what we're seeing here on this very ancient structure is Dynastic Egypt trying to put hieroglyphs on it and doing a poor job. I mean, it looks good to us, but when you really analyze the way that hieroglyphs are put on and the way that the design is, that this is very difficult for them to do, and therefore they had a hard time putting their own hieroglyphs on that in Dynastic Egypt.